So hey guys, I wanted to do an unboxing today. This is Happy Mail from Bridget, and she sent me an embellishment box as part of a swap that we were both in. You guys may or may not have seen my embellishment box that I did. I'm not sure when this will air, but you'll see that eventually on this channel. But I wanted to do an unboxing because I started to open this up and it's beautiful with all the goodies inside. So I wanted to do a quick video for you guys. All right, so we're gonna open it up here, and she has decorated the inside, and it is just so pretty. It's so beautiful with all of these. It looks very Maggie Holmes. I'm assuming that's what it is. Just very beautifully decorated, and she's put lots of goodies in here. I think this might have been on here. Looks like there is I need to learn how to do this actually. This is so cool. Let's see, so we got a little letter. Oh, thank you, Bridget. It's beautiful. Oh, wow. So this was a botanical themed embellishment box swap. So it looks like she's, oh wow, there's like a whole stack of these. Oh, these are beautiful, these tags. And this looks like the Jen had filled. I think I have the like the thickers, not thickers, the chipboard of this collection. That's beautiful. And then these beautiful botanical, these are, it's not chipboard, but it's a thicker cardstock. These are just absolutely beautiful. All right, we'll set that aside. Oh my gosh, and there's just so many goodies in here, like all over the place. Lots of cute little embellishments and little rosettes and little pom-poms. This looks like it was like that little curly ribbon, but it is so soft. I can't even begin to describe how soft this yarn is. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. I have so many scraps. I need to do some of these things with it. Oh wow. Okay, so she's got this really beautiful bag topper here, and then you've got more of these. Oh wow, I've never seen these before. These are beautiful. In fact, I know the exact project that I'm probably going to use a lot of this stuff on. I'm actually working on another personal album or journal that has like a very vintagey floral vibe. So I will probably, oh my gosh, they're postcards. That is so cool. But I probably will use these in the album. I'm gonna put those back in there. Oh, and then some embellishments. Oh my god, that is so cool. It's like a balloon, and she's made it into a shaker. Oh wow. These are really beautiful. Oh, and then these balls. You know, I have seen these like absolutely everywhere on like unboxings and stuff, but I have not seen them actually like in a store anywhere. So now I have some of these. Yay. I think I'm gonna save those and use those for some Christmas crafting. Oh wow. I love how many layers. I don't even know if I'm in frame. I guess sorry guys if I was out of frame. There's so many layers on this, and it's just beautiful. Put that over there. I'm gonna pull this guy out, and we'll look at him in just a minute, but I'm gonna look at some of these other embellishments really quick. She's got some more in here. I really love this like super layered, oh, these are two of them. And I don't know if this is like paper bag or if it's like tissue, but it's really thin like brown paper, which I love. Oh, that's so cool, that stamp. I love whenever people make these layered embellishments, because like when you first look at it, you know, you see different things, and then when you look at it again, there's like another piece that you may not have seen before. I really like that. Oh, they're so beautiful. And I think I saw, yes. Oh, wow. That's so beautiful. Camera. I actually have started working more on my layering. I love seeing, I love seeing stuff like this, and I love when people make stuff like this, but I'm just not really great with this much layering. My brain just doesn't work like that. I don't think about, oh, this could go on this, could go on this, on top of this. But I am getting better though, so I have been working on it. All right, and then we just got lots of yumminess in there, so I'm gonna move this aside. And we're gonna dig into this. So this is the embellishment box, and I'm gonna move these aside and I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit. Okay, so again, our theme was botanical, and you could go either way with this. For mine, I did more of a vintage botanical, and I focused more on plants rather than flowers, but you could definitely do flowers. So she's got this really beautiful vellum piece here, and it looks like she's fussy cut some of these flowers, which is, oh, even, yeah, that's a lot of fussy cutting. That's pretty cool. That's so much patience right there, more than I have. I fussy cut, but usually when it's stuff this detailed, I'm like, no thanks. It's not gonna look that perfect. All right, so let's pop this open. Oh my God, so many more embellishments on the inside. Okay, so where do we start? We'll start here, we'll go right to left. Oh, she has punched out so many of these. See, thank you so much, Bridget, for including these, because when I cut these things out like this teeny tiny on my silhouette, they never come out like as clean. So I really want to punch, but I always think about buying a punch, but then I don't want to because they're pretty pricey and they're clunky, and I already have a silhouette, so I always talk myself out of it whenever I'm in the store. But maybe I just need to go for it next time I see them on sale. Oh, these are beautiful, and it's like this almost, I don't know if it's fabric or if it's paper, but these are just beautiful, and she's got beads right there on the inside. There's a couple of these. Just stick these over here. Oh, they're so pretty. She was recently showing me a bouquet that she made actually for her sister's wedding. It was gorgeous. It was all paper flowers, and she had made them all by herself, and they were like this. Except they were huge because it was for a bridal bouquet, and they were just absolutely gorgeous. These are so pretty, and you can tell it's the Maggie Holmes paper from Flourish. Thank you so much. These are beautiful. And these like layered butterflies. I've been wanting to make some of these as well, but again, I don't have the punches for these. Maybe I need to invest in those. Oh, even some teeny tiny ones. My cats are over here. You can probably hear them hissing and chasing each other around. Oh my gosh, there's so many of them. This is like amazing. They're so beautiful. All right, so I'm not gonna show you guys all of them because I have a whole other handful in here. She made so many of them. It's amazing. Okay. And then, oh my gosh, this is adorable. It's like a little shaker with some bugs in there. Not gonna lie, my favorite Maggie Holmes paper is the one with the bugs. Hey, you guys cut it out. It's the one with the bugs. It's my absolute favorite, and this is just so cute. And I've never seen like a little container like this. Let me see, you could probably, yep, pop it open with a cute little shaker mix there. I am totally out of frame again. I'm sorry, guys. So adorable. And more of those flowers. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, and then more of these layered embellishments, which are just so pretty. She's so great at layering. Oh, and more of these really beautiful like little stamps there. Oh, I love it with all the different colored threads. I need to do more sewing on my stuff as well. Okay, let's see. And then we've got more. Oh, awesome. Okay, so she has included some more of these, like, they're just layered paper ones, so I could actually add stuff onto them. Maybe even include some of the flowers and things that she's given me. So this is really great because as I said, I'm really terrible at the layering. So the fact that she's already kind of gotten me started, you got me, girl, Bridget, you got me. Thanks. So, oh, shut up. This is awesome. So she's also sent me lots of little bits and stuff as well that I can use to layer on top of there. Okay, so lots of butterflies. Oh, lots of these little tiny flashcards, and also some tickets. So a really good start to get me going to make my own little layered embellishments. Oh, and even some of these little glittery hearts, and they're like fabric backed as well, which will make them really easy to stick down. Oh, and she sent me some of this trim, and I really like how it's wrapped as well. I'll definitely be able to use this along with some of the other stuff I was telling you guys about for another project that I have coming up. And then some paper clips, this giant pink one, which is super cool. Oh, I don't actually have any like this. Where did you get these, Bridget? These are actually really cool. I'm sure she probably has some in some other colors. And then okay, so she's also, sorry, I got distracted. She's also sent me some of these cute little cactus tags, but she has attached paper clips to them so they would actually slide right onto like a tag. Let's see. So they would fit like on the top of the page. How cute is that? That's adorable. And even to the side of the page as well. So she's got one that's gonna go all the way down, and then another one here that'll sit like that on the top. This is a really good idea. I have a bunch of like tags and stuff that I could probably use to make something like that as well. It's brilliant. And then this cute butterfly clip. I have a bunch of these, but not any in this shape, but in this line, I guess. And then more of these cute little hearts. Adorable. Thank you so much, Bridget. This was just like the best package ever, and I'm actually really excited about getting started playing around with a lot of this stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. Definitely check out Bridget and see some of the stuff that she makes as well.